Hi everyone, Jason, co-founder of Swift here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to install your Zeitgeist bag on a traditional Brooks style saddle. So your Zeitgeist is going to come with two 6-inch by 1/2 inch volet straps, as well as this paracord toggle. So to begin, we're going to put our volet straps in with the tails facing down and the hooked buckle part of the strap facing away from the bike. Then we're going to thread our strap up through the bottom of the loop into the buckle, and then you can secure the strap that way. You'll go ahead and do the same to the other side. And then to make this nice and tidy, you can tuck these back through the saddle loop so that the rest of your strap is hidden away and everything looks nice and tidy. And then you're going to go and grab the P cord, and you'll see that it's extra long. That's so that if you're going to pack something back here, or you just have a different seat post situation, you've got plenty of room to work with. On this one, I'm going to wrap it around twice because I've got some extra. The toggle here on the plastic toggle on the end is going to go through the loop, and then we can just tighten this up and cinch the toggle down nice and secure. If for some reason you want the bag to have a little bit more ability to move, you can loosen this up to your desired tension. And that's it.